Meet CloudHMS ERP, your all-in-one ERP system crafted for hotels, restaurants, and event spaces. Imagine a platform that could transform every aspect of your hospitality operations. Every great hospitality experience begins with a powerful system: hotel management, event management, membership and services, restaurant management, reservation and front desk, housekeeping, mobile apps for customer and management. With CloudHMS ERP's intuitive UI, manage reservations, group bookings, floor plans, and visual reservation charts, all with just a few clicks. Coordinate housekeeping effortlessly with clear real-time updates accessible on any device. Plan events and banquets using smart, user-friendly tools that keep every detail connected to your reservations. Operate multi-terminal POS systems, manage food, beverage, and memberships, all on an interface built for efficiency. Simplify folio management, city ledgers, and corporate group reservations with clear, organized views. Gain full control of your back office. Manage finance, HR and payroll, inventory, stock, assets, and biometric attendance with instant insights and a UI that's easy to use. Need complete back office power? CloudHMS ERP offers finance management with City Ledger, folio billing, and financial reporting, HR and payroll for hospitality staff, from housekeeping to front desk biometric attendance tracking and shift scheduling. Inventory and asset management to monitor supplies, stock, and property. CloudHMS ERP brings it all together: comprehensive guest management, seamless web and mobile booking, hostel, membership and ticketing add-ons, hotel and event management, robust back office and inventory control. CloudHMS ERP is built to handle daily operations of all types of hospitality businesses. Whether you run hotels, resorts, guest houses, cafes, event venues, or even digital booking platforms. Smart menus, faster orders, happier guests. POS orders, kitchen inventory, and staff all connected in a smart unified system. One dashboard, total control. With CloudHMS ERP, get everything your hospitality business needs, all in one place. Book your free demo of CloudHMS ERP today.